Kiambu Governor Ferdinand Waititu has defiantly resumed his duties days after the anti-corruption court barred him from accessing his county offices until a 588 million shilling graft case he faces is heard and determined. Waititu insisted he does not require a physical office to undertake his duties and announced that he will chair a cabinet meeting next week. The embattled county chief blasted his deputy, Dr. James Nyoro, terming him power-hungry following his takeover on Tuesday in an acting capacity. Francis Gashuri tells us more.
48 hours after walking out of industrial area remand prison on a 15 million shillings cash bill slapped on him by the anti-corruption court, Kiambu Governor Ferdinand Waititu was bullish as he inspected county projects in Kabete, Kikuyu and Limuru constituencies.
The first accused shall not access his office until this criminal case is heard and determined.
The anti-corruption court magistrate largely based his orders on a ruling by High Court Judge Grace Mombi Ngugi in an application filed by Samburu Governor Moses Lenol Kulal. Lenol Kulal, like Waititu, was barred from setting foot in his county offices until a corruption case he faces is heard and determined.
Hata sio lazima nikuwe kwa ofisi. Hata kazi ile mimi nimekuwa nikifanya ile mingi. Sikuwangi kwa ofisi kwa sababu kazi mingi ambaye governor anafanya haiko kwa ofisi ndani.
The judge, who is headed to the appellate court, posed a series of questions, top among them whether it would serve the public interest for a governor facing graft charges to go back to office and preside over finances of a county he has been accused of mismanaging.
Nimekuomba bwana, wewe ufanye jambo yako ya siri ili kwamba hii maneno ikae hivyo hivyo tu.
Waititu's deputy Dr. James Nyoro taking over on Tuesday while the governor and his wife Susan Wangari Ndungu were on their way to remand after failing to post the 15 million shillings and 4 million shillings cash bail respectively.
We are in office for as long as the governor is away.
A takeover, Waititu says, defined his deputy as power hungry.
Njia ya kuchukua kiti ya governor ni governor akikufa ama resign ama apatiwe awe impeached. Hizo ndio njia za kuchukua kiti ya governor. Hakuna mkato ingine.
Opinion is divided on the legal implications and implementation of Ngugi's orders and whether barring governors facing corruption charges from office extended to execution of their executive functions in counties.
So this is not a coup d'etat as people may want to believe.
Sio mtu anajideclare, sio mtu anajipatia. Katiba imeelezea vile mtu anachukua mamlaka ya kiti ya governor.
Nyoro convened and chaired a cabinet meeting on Tuesday when Waititu was behind bars, a move that has angered the governor. Waititu planning to convene a cabinet meeting mid-next week, away from the county offices, ostensibly to flex his executive muscle.
Na ndio kwa maana umeona mpaka sasa katika Samburu hakuna deputy governor hata Samburu ameonekana kwa TV hata siku moja, na bado ile governor wa Samburu kama mimi aliambiwa asiende kwa ofisi mpaka kesi yake ishe.
The County Government Act of 2012 limits the deputy governor, while in an acting capacity, from exercising powers to nominate, appoint or dismiss the cabinet or sign bills into law.
So we need to have a governor who will be executing all the functions of a governor, and the very best way is for Waititu to just resign from his position, or we impeach him in 30 days coming.
Yes. Even as he enjoys his freedom, sources at the investigative agencies DCI and ESCC indicate that Waititu is not yet out of the woods, with detectives probing other county expenditures and award of tenders worth billions of shillings in the last financial year. Francis Gashuri, Citizen Weekend.